this is me, Damien, the truck driver guy, and right now I'm entering California from Nevada, from Las Vegas, and I would like to tell you guys and show you the view when you're entering from California, from Las Vegas, Nevada, going to Los Angeles, California. It's I-15 south, and the speed limit here is 55 miles an hour for the truck drivers. Welcome to beautiful California. And if you guys have any questions about how to become a truck driver or any related truck driving situations, you can always watch my videos. You see truck line only. This line is only for trucks, so you can see more of my videos. And if you have like extra questions, you can feel free to call me, text me, send me an email, and whatever you want, basically. You can even write to my PO box. I have my address on my videos there. Okay guys, you all have a wonderful day, drive safe, and welcome to California.